Good afternoon, everybody. Happen to have a 454 big block Chevy supercharged motor. Just got done making about 890 horsepower and an awesome motor, 820 foot-pounds of torque, and we only took it to 5,800. If the gentleman wants to take it higher, I'm sure it's going to produce more. But again, another example of one of our custom built motors. This happens to be a fuel injected BDS Holley fuel system, BDS blower on a big block 454 cubic inch. Anything we can help you with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Hey, enjoy the video. All right, Nelson, it's been a long time. Let's see if we got it right. Pray to God that we do. I know the motor runs good.